O'Neill lived in a city with his wife, Ella, and their 3 children. Johnson and Julie were the elder ones, while Archie was the youngest. O'Neill's mother stayed in another city with her son Smith. She often came to visit, because she loved her grandchildren dearly. One morning, the family sat together at the breakfast table. Archie picked up a slice of bread and tried to spread some butter. Just then Johnson called out,
"Archie, pass me the egg, quick."
Archie put down his knife and pushed the plate of eggs toward him. Before he could return to his bread, Julie leaned forward.
"Archie, hand me the jam."
Ella looked at them sharply.
"Let him eat his breakfast too."
Archie reached for the jar and passed it to her. His bread was still empty. He picked up the knife again, but Johnson spoke.
"Archie, give me the butter, please."
Ella sighed. Archie slid the butter across the table. Julie was already asking,
"Archie, can you pour me some milk?"
Archie left his bread again and poured milk into her glass. By then Johnson and Julie had finished eating. They jumped up together.
"We're late! We're late!"
Johnson shouted, running toward the door. Julie followed him. Archie looked down at his slice. The butter was only half spread. He quickly folded it in his hand, took a small bite, and ran after them. Ella shook her head. A few days later, Grandma came to stay for a week. The children were thrilled. The next evening, they were doing homework, while Ella worked in the kitchen. Johnson frowned.
"Oh no! My ink is finished. Archie, can you refill it?"
Archie nodded and stood up. Julie looked up.
"Bring me some water too. Archie, I'm so thirsty."
Archie quietly brought the filled pen and a glass of water. Grandma watched and shook her head.
"You two should do your own work,"
she said firmly. But Johnson and Julie only smiled and went back to writing. That night, Archie stood near the table ironing his shirt. Johnson walked over and dropped his shirt beside him.
"Iron this too."
Archie nodded.
"Okay. I will."
When Johnson left, Grandma came close.
"Archie, you should say no sometimes. Let them do their own work."
Archie shrugged.
"I don't mind."
"Still,
Grandma said gently.
you must learn to refuse."
Archie nodded. Grandma explained what he should do. The next morning at breakfast, Archie asked,
"Johnson, can you pass me the jam?"
Johnson frowned.
"Can't you reach yourself?"
Archie looked at Julie.
"Julie, can you pour me some milk?"
Julie snapped.
Do it on your own. Don't bother me.
Archie quietly picked up the jug himself. Grandma was sitting at the table, watching in silence. That evening Archie held up his pen.
It's empty. Johnson. Please fill the ink.
Johnson shook his head.
No. Do it yourself.
Archie turned to Julie.
Can you bring me water?
Julie didn't look up.
I'm busy. You're thirsty, you go.
Archie went quietly. Later, while ironing his shirt, Julie came with hers.
Iron this too.
Archie looked at her and shook his head.
No. You should do it yourself.
Julie's face fell. She walked away. Archie glanced at Grandma. They both smiled. Moral: learn to say no, or others will use you.